Hey fam, I have a few items in the cage I need to harvest. And when you pick a few more pop up. Got these bell peppers. Is it pretty? Look like something might be in this one. See this? Hubby told me to harvest them before today because the bugs are out. The little frogs are out. Got quite a few more coming in. This one's good. All right, I got a couple of tomatoes. They'll finish blushing inside. See, we got a lot. I got Romas, so it's a lot more coming through. Okay, this one has been attacked by some bugs. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's okay on the inside. Nothing penetrated. So I can just cut off these parts here. I'll eat this. Okay, and this is all I'll harvest today. This is all we got going on today. And by next week, I should have probably a lot more. But I like it. I like a gradual harvest. Not everything coming in at one time. Let's see what's going. The peppers smell great. Let me see. Let me see that other one. There was another one. This one's perfect. This one's perfect. This one here Just had that little spot. And this is the best way to kind of cut your bell peppers. Cut it, you know, at this. And then you can easily tear off the seeds. Okay. See? Pull those seeds out. So that's the quick and easy way to cut your peppers. It just got bruised. All right, that's what we got. Let's see what's going on over here. We got more bell peppers coming in over here. Just harvested these over here. These tomatoes are coming in. Look how they're clustering up over here. Down here, yeah. All right. Some little eggplants down here. Eggplant plants. No fruit yet. Kind of see the peppers a little better right there. Right there. These are doing well here. Hubby put those in. Okay. He harvested 2 of these banana peppers. I kept calling these serranos. I couldn't think of the name. But these banana peppers here. Hubby got these this morning. So yeah, we growing food over here, honey. We ain't got time to be messing with the crazies, honey. All these crazy folks. People just can't sit down in peace. They always got to be scheming and trying to find ways to get over on other people and hate other people and poison other people and I'm like, just can't you just relax? Can't you just sit down? Enjoy your privileges. Can't enjoy that. No, can't enjoy being privileged. Got to, you know, always keep up some mess. So while they're doing that, we over here growing and eating and expanding. Let's see if I got any strawberries. Got one. The birds be over here. They get in here somehow. Look at this. That's a nice cluster. Okay. And the flowers. You see the hostas are doing well over here. Like I said, these flowers have never stopped blooming. Look at these. They've just been blooming. They'll drop some and 10 more come up. Crepe myrtles. This crepe myrtle over here is just flourishing. I threw my collard greens over here. My collard green plants, they just got decimated. So we let them decompose. I let all my plants decompose over here, and they break down. And over there, there's some fertile soil over there. Okay, let's see. Now I have to clean this up here. Decide what I want to go here. And this was a volunteer plant. And these, I don't know, these just grew here, so I'm gonna be chopping everything down when it cools down, when the season cools down. Got some indoor chores I have to do. I have to do a lot of, I'm still, you know, purging and donating and organizing. You know, it's a fine line between, you know, I want to donate to charities. I want other people that are having a hard time to get some, there's some stuff I just had never touched. I never used. And, but, you know, I have to make sure that, you know, since I'm retired, I'm not buying a whole bunch of new things anymore. So I have to fine line between making sure I'm well stocked and then that I can help others. And these are the gift that keep on giving, you know, these scallions. You know, I harvested a bunch of these, the oregano, that's in the freezer, and then cut this down, then I have more scallions all the time. These are just the best. So I'm gonna go on and cut some of these down. So I have scallions and peppers and banana peppers and tomatoes. See, that's good eating, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me on my harvest today. Just you have to stay on top of it. You know, this year I didn't buy too many plants where I would be overwhelmed. And so I got a nice amount. We're getting harvest every few days. Loving it. All right, so if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. I'm glad you tuned in, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. I know I'm talking low.